Alright, 3, 2, 1. I haven't been streaming too much lately, and decided to try something a little different here since I probably don't want to try to stream this scuffed setup. This is more of a testing. Drake is having a few issues with this computer. Not major issues at the moment. It might also just be driver related. It's something to do with a tablet connected to the touchscreen not working. It's just a thing, but I figured I'm going to come through and I wanted to replace this motherboard anyways. It's an A320M, so it's not exactly the highest end motherboard. I'm going to be doing it with a B550. This is not the same motherboard. This was actually on my PC right now, but this would also be beneficial too for her graphics card, which is the RX 6600 right now. It runs on 8X lanes, or 8 lanes, whatever, PCI 4. And since this motherboard would effectively be running at 3.0, it's probably getting hamstrung a little bit. Plus that, I wonder if just the older motherboard with whatever's going on here, the chipset might not be handling it very well too, so that could be a whole thing. Anyway, so that's why I haven't been streaming too much too with the technical difficulties. Cats are going to help me with this, I'm sure, right, Gimme? Yeah, Gibby's going to help me so much. I got it plugged into the back just to help avoid shorts or anything like that, but yeah, this is the motherboard we'll be putting in here. Yeah, so it's another Asus, just a micro, but yeah, here, let's try to see how well what kind of angles we can get here while I'm trying to install this bad boy. So, yep. Yep. Alright, looks like it'll work pretty good. I'm probably gonna do something with this other computer here in a little bit too. Maybe I'll leave that running for that, but yeah, let's go bring this up to Dragon's office. Kitties didn't break my other thing down here. Nice, nice. Alright, so I'm gonna try to see if I boot this up. I got that memory from my brother along with that one motherboard. It's supposedly not working. It's a little suspect, at least how the system he's trying to use it in, so I'm gonna try to use it on this system. Got a stick of Ubuntu to make that go easier. Okay, here's the power button. Are we gonna post? Are we gonna post? We're not posting. Hearing CMOS? Okay. Alright, Katie, let's try this again. Yeah, you want to be careful with that bad boy. Still not posting. See if it's one stick or another. Not forgetting anything, am I? Oh, we're posting! Okay, I'm going to try to run the XMP profile, and since Ubuntu has a nice little memory built into their installer, I'm just going to use that. Oh, yep, we got a failure. We got 3 failures. Lots of failures. Whole heck load of failures. Alright, now we've dialed down the memory speed to 2133. Let's see if that runs better. Looking good. Maybe it's worth testing with something like that. Yeah. Need another micro ATX case to go with this bad boy, Mars. Yeah, that's what I think we need. You know what, I'm gonna try something here.
You can also monitor it from here. Yes, with a better microphone. Yes. So yeah, the lower speeds seem like they're gonna be a little more stable, so give that a bit. While that happens, I'm gonna watch some Gamers Nexus. Yeah, see? Alright, so that was a pass. I don't know what I'm gonna do with a lot of this footage. It was quite the night, but we got some stuff done. And yeah, I might be able to use this little mini PC, test it for something. I don't know why yet, maybe a streaming test tube and replace my other mini PC, or compare it to the other mini PC, the A3, the Ryzen 3 2200G versus the, oh god, what is even in this thing? Okay, it's the, come on, autofocus. The Ryzen 5 Pro 4650GE, which is newer architecture, but it is in a smaller form factor. It's in this guy here. You know what? Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment if you want to see how well a 2200G stacks up to a Ryzen 5 and some tests. I don't know, we have to figure out stuff that I can test on Linux because I'm not installing Windows for a lot of this stuff. Well, maybe a few things, but not many. Oh.